In this video, I'm going to walk you through every single step of creating a Facebook business page that's going to blow your competition out of the water. And even if you've never done this before, I promise to make it incredibly easy on you with the complete step-by-step. Plus, I'm going to show you 2 incredibly valuable pro tips as we go that nobody else is really talking about, but are actually the secrets to making your business page actually work much harder to get you new clients and customers every day automatically. So these are the things you do just once and they keep paying off. So, all right, let's just jump right in.
A Facebook page refers to a public profile that you create specifically for your business, brand, cause, or any other purpose based on your interests. Unlike your personal Facebook profile, pages gain fans instead of friends. In this context, a fan on your Facebook page is described as anyone who chooses to like your page. Here is an exclusive overview of how to create a Facebook page that meets your business interests effectively. Creating a page. To create a page, start by visiting the Pages section on your Facebook profile and click on Create Page. Another place to find the page creation interface is by clicking on the little arrow in the top right-hand corner. Choosing a page category. You will be required to choose a category for your page. Among the categories currently supported by Facebook include local business or place, company, organization or institution, brand or product, artist, band or public figure, entertainment, and cause or community. Once you choose your category, you will be required to choose a more specific category from a drop-down menu. Being specific allows Facebook to decide which group of the audience to connect with to help you grow a wide fan base at an incredible speed. For instance, choosing on the local business or place category requires you to narrow down by selecting a category among different choices. Add a business or place name. Add an official name for your business or place. Make it official and elaborate to allow your audience to connect with you easily. I recommend that you carefully select your name, since it has a huge impact on your ability to make outstanding sales. Currently, Facebook has a restriction on changing business names. Therefore, make your selection right by keeping in mind that you might never get the opportunity to change it in the future. Complete location details and contact information. Facebook requires you to add a street address, city, state, zip code, and phone number where applicable. Add your information carefully, since your audience will rely on it to either visit your business premises or call to make an order or inquiry. Once you have filled in the basic information, click on the Get Started button to create your page. Set up your page. Set up your page by adding information about your business or place, profile picture, and preferred page audience. Add Categories section. Narrow your page down by providing a more specific category in which your business or place belongs to as illustrated in the figure above. About section. This section allows you to add a few sentences that tells your audience what your page offers. The description, a maximum of 155 characters, allows your page to show up in the right search results. Even though it is possible to add more details to your page later from the page settings, it is recommended that you do it during the setup process. Choose a unique Facebook web address. The address will make it easier for people to find your page. Remember that once you set your web address, it can only be changed once. After creating a web address for your page, Facebook will require you to choose whether you are a business, establishment, or a venue, a real building. Furthermore, Facebook will require you to agree whether your page will be the authorized and official representation of your establishment, business, or venue. You can save your information once you click Yes on both sections, but you have the option to skip this step and add the information at a later time. Add a profile picture. You can add a profile picture by uploading one from your computer or importing from a website. Make sure your profile picture uniquely matches your business, product, or place. Add to favorites. You can choose whether to add your new page to the Favorites section of your Facebook profile to easily access it at any time. Preferred Page Audience. This section allows you to tell Facebook the group of people you wish to target. Even though anyone can find your page, Facebook works effortlessly to ensure your page appears to the people who matter the most. In setting your preferred page audience, you will be required to add your target locations, age, gender, and interests. Locations. In this section, add the countries, states, cities, or zip codes where the people you wish to connect with are located. You could choose to either include or exclude certain locations for a more specified audience. Additional metrics for targeting may include showing your page to everyone in your chosen location, people who live in your chosen location, people who visited your preferred location recently, and people traveling to your chosen location. Important note: zip and city codes might not be available in all the countries you wish to target. Age. This section allows you to select the minimum and maximum age of the audience that is likely to find your page relevant. Gender. Choose a specific gender of the people you would like to connect with on your page. You can choose all if you have no specific gender to target. Interests. In this section, add the interests of the audience you are targeting. Facebook can help you connect with a specific audience by checking on the activities, interests, pages, and other closely related topics that your target audience likes. Page overview. Once you add these details, your page setup process is complete. There are various parts of your page that you might need to familiarize yourself with before using your page. These sections include Page. Everything you need to manage your Facebook page is available on these tabs. Like, a button used for your fans to show support for your page. When people visit your page, they can see how many people support you by checking on the number of likes. Messages. You can manage messages from your fans in this section. Notifications. Activities on your page will appear here. Publishing tools. Provides insights on how to reach a wider audience much more easily. Other sections may include Create Call to Action, Timeline, About, Photos, Reviews. Once you have your Facebook page ready, you will have to learn how to use it effectively for the benefit of your business.